Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading orders from Ecwid to Pipedrive. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Pipedrive you can create contacts based on new orders from Ecwid, conveniently store, process and interact with it in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. To get started, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Now you need to specify an action. If you want to receive new orders, select Get Orders New. At this stage, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your login and password to your Ecwid account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you can edit the settings. This system does not provide additional configuration, so just click Continue. At this point, you can set up a data filter. In this case, this is not necessary, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see the test data. If everything suits you, click Next. Choose Pipedrive as the system. Next, you need to specify the action, Create Contacts. Now you need to connect your Pipedrive account to the ApiX-Drive system. In the window that appears, fill in the field with the domain, where the domain name of your Pipedrive, specified without additional characters, as well as the API key field. Go to Personal Settings of your account. After that, go to the API tab, copy your API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. You now see the Pipedrive fields for creating a new contact. You can assign variables from Ecwid to these fields. To add a variable, click in the field and select it from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. When all the required data is assigned to the fields, click Continue. You now see an example of the data that will be sent to Pipedrive as a new contact when a new order comes from Ecwid. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Pipedrive. After a successful submission, go to Pipedrive to check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. At this point, the data ingestion setup in Pipedrive has been successfully completed. Next, you need to enable Auto Update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.